Former Maldives President Mohamed Nasheed has temporarily located to Accra, Ghana in West Africa following his announcement of a hiatus from active politics without prior notification to the parliament. Nasheed, a member of parliament and a key figure in Maldivian politics, disclosed that he has assumed the role of Secretary General of the Climate Vulnerable Forum and will be based in Ghana's capital for the next few years. The CVF, focusing on countries highly vulnerable to climate change, aims to facilitate clean growth and climate prosperity. At 56, Nasheed served as the Maldives' first president from 2008 to 2012 and subsequently as the Speaker of Parliament from 2019 to 2023. The Parliament reported that Nasheed, the current Central Machangolhi parliamentarian, did not inform them of his temporary move to Ghana. According to Parliament's Communications Director, Hassan Ziaou, Nasheed has not specified his plans for parliamentary responsibilities, has not applied for leave, and will continue receiving his salary for the remaining 3 months of his term. Last month, Nasheed announced his break from active politics to assume the role of CVF's Secretary General. The CVF, established in 2009 during Nasheed's presidency, focused on addressing the challenges faced by nations highly susceptible to the impacts of global warming. Notably, Nasheed's presidency witnessed protests, constitutional crisis, and corruption scandals. In 2012, he was arrested, stripped of his presidency, and later sentenced to 13 years in jail on terrorism-related charges. His release ensued due to international pressure.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.